Microsoft Excel is truly a powerhouse when it comes to working with data. Imagine a grid of cells, perfectly organized into rows and columns, where you can enter anything from numbers to text and even dates. It's not just about storing data, it's about managing it efficiently. With its robust calculation capabilities, you can perform complex mathematical and financial analyses using an extensive library of built-in functions. Ever heard of pivot tables? They're a game changer for data analysis, allowing you to extract insights and visualize trends effortlessly. And let's not forget about charting. Excel offers a plethora of options to create stunning graphs that make your data come alive. For those looking to automate tasks, Visual Basic for Applications, or VBA, lets you create custom functions and macros, extending Excel's functionality even further. Whether you're budgeting, forecasting, or managing projects, Excel is an essential tool across various industries, available on Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. It's not just software, it's a vital companion for professionals everywhere.